Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best MNB regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Hungary's central bank is responsible for implementing monetary policies, maintaining financial stability, and overseeing the country's financial institutions. In the realm of Forex trading, the MNB plays a crucial regulatory role by supervising Forex brokers operating within Hungary to ensure they adhere to financial standards, including transparency, investor protection, and anti-money laundering regulations. Traders who are searching for some of the best MNB regulated Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best MNB regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have HYCM. HYCM is a renowned global online trading provider that caters both to retail and institutional investors. Established in 1977, HYCM boasts a rich history in the financial industry, making it a trusted and respected name among traders worldwide. Located in London, HYCM operates under the regulatory oversight of reputable financial authorities, ensuring a secure and transparent trading environment for its clients. HYCM offers a diverse range of trading instruments, providing traders with access to various financial markets. These instruments include Forex, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and ETFs. HYCM's comprehensive selection of trading instruments empowers traders to build diversified portfolios and seize opportunities across various financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the HYCM proprietary mobile application. Their account types include fixed, classic, raw, as well as demo and Islamic account options. Each of these account types provide traders with unique features and benefits, allowing them to choose the account that aligns best with their trading goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. HYCM is also dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge and expertise through its comprehensive educational resources. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, HYCM offers a wealth of educational materials to enhance your trading skills, which include webinars and seminars, video tutorials, ebooks, trading guides, market analysis, as well as a variety of trading tools, such as economic calendars and calculators, to assist traders in their daily activities and risk management. With these educational resources, HYCM strives to empower traders with the skills and insights needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. Whether you are just starting your trading journey or seeking to refine your trading strategies, HYCM's educational offerings are designed to support your growth and development as a trader. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele. including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you're a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. At number 2 on our list is HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best MNB regulated Forex brokers, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best MNB regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.